Hello students, how are you? Myself Dr. Arun Maru, assistant professor and lecturer of political science. Dear student, today we will discuss about the another topic of class 12 political science, Rajasthan board, IDSC board, English medium. The topic is justice. We have discussed about the justice in our last lecture, and in this particular lecture, we have discussed about the modern view of justice. Our previous lecture, we have discussed about the ancient and medieval view of justice. Now we have discussed about the modern view of justice. First of all, we have discussed about the modern view of justice by the Karl Marx. Number second, John Rawls. And number third, Lowski. And number four, Indian Constitution. Clear? Number one is Karl Marx. Karl Marx was the founder of Marxism. His book name is Das Kapital. You study about the Karl Marx in class 11th. What is the Marxism? His book name is Das Kapital. Marxism basically emphasizes on the social and economic equality. Basically, according to the Karl Marx, what is the justice? According to the Karl Marx, the justice basically connected to the social and economic equality. Second is John Rawls. John Rawls, according to the John Rawls, given to the justice without any uh, inequality, without any partiality, it is called to justice. His book name is A Theory of Justice. His book name is A Theory of Justice. And number third is Lowski. Lowski basically emphasizes on the new modern way, new democratic way about the justice. And last is Indian Constitution. Yes, according to the Indian Constitution, chapter number third, and article number 14, 15 and 16, these three types of article basically emphasize on the justice. These three articles connected to the rights, fundamental rights, the right of equality. And article number 14 belong to the rule of law, and article number 15 and 16 basically belong to the social economic equality and given the job without the any partiality. Clear? So these are the four pillars for the modern view of justice. I repeat that. What is the view of Karl Marx about the justice? The view of Karl Marx about justice, the view of Karl Marx about justice is that social and economic equality. He always against the social and economic partiality. Karl Marx always support the labor class and farmer and poor people of the country. He emphasized on the class struggle and he emphasized on the blood revolution. Clear? But his ideology basically emphasizes on the equality, justice, and right for the poor class and poor society. Clear? Number second is John Rawls. John Rawls also famous names of justice theory of modern view. His book name is A Theory of Justice. He always supported the justice for the poor people of the society. Number third is Lowski. Lowski was the uh, founder of democratic socialism. He was the famous political scientist in the modern view. He was the teacher also. He was the teacher, political philosopher, given the guidance to the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Clear? And last is Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is a symbolization of the justice. Why? Because Indian Constitution always emphasize on the given the justice without any partiality. For the example, Indian Constitution chapter number 3, fundamental rights, uh, and these fundamental rights, especially these three articles in the fundamental rights chapter, article number 14, 15, and 16. Article number 14, 15, and 16 basically emphasize on the equality and justice and right. Emphasize on the equality, justice, and right. Clear? So it is called to justice theory. Indian Constitution basically emphasizes on the liberty, the right to liberty, the right of justice, the right of the liberty, freedom, equality, justice, and right. Because India is the largest democracy in all over the world. India is the largest democracy in all over the world. Clear? And Indian democracy is the largest democracy in all over the world, as well as Indian Constitution also largest written constitution in all over the world, because Indian Constitution total article is 395. In Indian Constitution total article number is 395. Okay, student. So it is the modern view of justice. Okay, student. Thank you.